Hey, it's Janene with 49 and Market. We have a brand new Sizzix release that I am excited to share with you. This is going to be an in-depth look at all the beautiful products that we have put together. It is 12 SKUs that are mix and match pieces, perfect for your collection. They are an assortment of dies, stamps, and even some stencils. So come take a look for more details. The first SKU that we have for you is the Doily Duo. I have always been a fan of doilies, and I just really haven't seen any in the market lately, so it was important to me to bring this back. And with the new technology and whatnot, Sizzix was able to get some nice little texture going on this plate for us. So you have two different sizes as well as a border piece. And my favorite thing to do with these is just really simply, I love to take a sheet of copy paper, nothing fancy, and if you run it through the machine, I'm even doing 2 layers on that copy paper. I'll show you how authentic it really looks when you die cut it out. So you can break them apart. All your little pieces are gonna go flying. And you can see it looks like an actual doily from a long time ago. So this is a lot of fun in my opinion. And you can also see, I don't know if you can actually see on the camera, but there is some nice little texture in the middle parts there. Next up, we have this and that alphabet set and number set. These are a lot of fun. They are 1 3/4 inches high, a great size for larger titles, numbers, all that good stuff. You also get an extra kind of bonus with them. It's not just one alphabet set. It's actually 2 different letters and number sets, but you can create a combination of 4 different alphabets and numbers. Alphabet set and number set are the same. I just have laid out some of the letters for you to give you a quick look, but they're gonna work in the same configuration. Each letter and number comes with 2 different pieces. So in theory, you see, you can get obviously 2 different letters. So when you look at this board over here, just to give you a quick look, you can have the outline. This larger piece is actually an outline. So we can run that through to show you those individual pieces. The alphabet set is originally created so that you have an outline. Then you can also have the inside piece cut, and I do need to pop this out with a little tool here. That's why you have these nice little holes. Easily pop that out so you can see that is a look at the outside piece only. Then next up, I could go with the inside piece, but I can also point out you're also getting these inner pieces. So we have mix and match. And when you do this in different colors, as I did up here with the black and the white, you can see how your inner outer can get you that outline. You can also obviously cut out just that smaller piece for that smaller alphabet, or you can even take both pieces, put them together. I'm gonna just line this up as best I can. Carefully run it through the machine. Hope I didn't slide anything. And I will show you. So once again, we're gonna get that outline, which we just did before, but we also get 2 new pieces. I get a smaller outline and the inside piece, which was actually this other one. So when you use different colors, you're gonna completely be able to create all sorts of options for your projects. The Build a Frame set. This is a SKU that has both stamps and dies in it. You're getting 15 stamps and 14 dies. And the intention behind this was, you know, I'm a scrapbooker at heart. That's where my first and foremost love comes from. So I'm always wanting to use frames. And I said to myself, well, how can we do a lot of different options in one set? So there's a lot of value that was built into this. As you can see from the stamp set, we have 15 stamps. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different patterns that you can use. You can mix and match these. You can make them consistent, but they're intended to be able to use so that you can do anything from a 6-inch length down to a 2-inch length. And I'll show you that in the dies in just 1 second. But this way you can just see. So you can have little corner pieces. You also just get a file tab and a label, because why not have a little bit of extra? So these different pieces are going to allow you to make different patterns on your paper. So you're going to stamp those images first, and then you have the mix and match die set. So this is now 14 dies, and you get 3 different styles. So you kind of have like this scallopy waved edge, you have the straight edge, as well as another curved one over here. So the kind of like a deckled edge. Mixing and matching these with the various stamped edges will also maximize the different styles that you can get. They are intended to be 6 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches, or 2 inches. So how that works is if you had a 6-inch photo, you're going to cut your largest piece, and that outside corner edge is going to go edge to edge. So the frame will actually come on the inside. So this is a little look at that scalloped one. So that photo is going on the inside of the pieces. This one in particular, I will say you might have to round your corners a little just because it is a little bit different with those curved edges as you're piecing them, but they will butt up to one another so you get a beautiful even frame each time. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun with that. I can't wait to see what everybody makes with this because I think the opportunities are just endless. We have the Sweet Sprigs stamp and die set, as well as the Petal Play stencil. These are intended to coordinate together. There are a lot of textures going on in the stencil. We have the butterflies and the leaves, and as you can see in the stamps and dies, those elements are going to pick up and be able to blend. So when you mix and match them together, you just create even more opportunities and possibilities. Let's take a closer look at our Sweet Sprigs stamps and die set and our Petal Play stencil. As you can see from the packaging of this stencil, it is rather large. It comes in an amazing reusable plastic sleeve, and then you can see the size of the stencil. Lots of different pieces to mix and match, blend and layer. As you can see from the elements here, it's going to work perfectly with that Sweet Sprigs stamp and die set. So again, that's going to come in that reusable packaging. You get several dies. Actually, you get 9 dies and 19 stamps. You can see from the layers of the stamps that you are going to be able to build up, you know, the opacity and the different levels of your artwork as you go. And to take a look at an example, the beautiful project that Juliana created for us. Here she created a gorgeous card. This uses that stencil as the background for her card front, as well as the different layers of the stamps. So she was able to build up using some of our inks. You can see that you have the full coverage in the background, you have the outline, and then you have even the extra little bits and pieces for those details in the flowers and the leaves. So gorgeous card to see how to mix and match those pieces. And again, can you ever go wrong with butterflies, stamps, and leaves? The Snap and Swap journal set, I had a lot of fun with this one. Basically, it gives us the opportunity to mix and match a lot of different edges and pieces. The length of these is 5 inches wide, which is the same as the previous tags and file tabs that we used. So all of those sets can be interchangeable with the different edges. So first we have our base plate, and this one can create either a nice journal page that you can use the full size, or you can also use our score line piece in the middle, and then this would serve as a card. So just to give you a quick little look at what that bend would look like. So we position it like so. With the bend, I can create a nice little edge for my card front if I want. We can also use the varying layers and spaces to create a cascade with the different edges. So you'll see we have this nice little scallop and hole piece. We have a deckled edge. We have the notebook. We have another scalloped edge, so you can mix and match all those pieces in the different positions. So if you're not going to be using all of your pieces throughout, which most likely you're not, you're going to fill in the pieces that you want. So what I'm trying to say and explain to you is if I want the position of this lace scallop over here on the edge, I'm going to position it so, like so. I'm going to make sure that they snap in place so that there's nothing misaligned or going to cause any issues. But if I don't fill in these gaps, when I go to run this through the machine, I'm not going to have cuts here, which is going to affect the finished piece. So we want to fill in those gaps with the different extra little pieces here. So on a single piece, you can obviously use these. And if you have a double, just to make it a little bit easier, we included this piece this time around, which can work in any of the spaces. You can put it in the middle, you can put it in the two, and then that nicely snaps in place like so, so that we can fill it. This way, we now run this piece through the machine and it's going to cut that whole section. So it's a great set for a lot of different edges and different pieces. Again, can make those card fronts, can make journaling pages, and just gives it that added extra bit of interest. We have 3 stamp and die sets that are made to mix with each other in terms of the pieces and the textures that you're going to get. We have the Tag It set, Creative Combos, and Globetrotters Mark. All of these pieces were designed so that you would have tags and tickets and little ways of adding details to your projects. For example, in the Globetrotters Mark, we have the weather and the dates, so you can make a cute little ticket signifying all the details that you want to highlight. We have the tickets and sentiments, you know, you get hello and today in the banner, so you can blend them, and these adorable little paper clips and tags. A lot of fun to use on your projects. So these 3 are just totally intended to mix and match together, along with our Artful Layers stencil. This stencil, as you can see by the different patterns, you can actually mix and match some of the patterns that are in these stamp sets so that you can fill in your little pieces here. So for example, like this is just a quick little thing that I had done. Here was the stencil, and then I took the X stamp in one of the sets and was able to fill it in, so you can have a good time playing with all those pieces. Artful Layers stencil and our Tag It stamp and die set. Again, you're going to get lots of pieces in this set. You're getting 17 stamps and 6 dies, so you can see it's a nice size to work with on your projects. Gorgeous little pieces. My favorite little bit in here is one of the dies is actually a little pocket die, and that's going to have your score lines so that you can make an adorable little envelope with your pieces, so that you can also stick your tags in. The stencil, again, is a very large format stencil. Comes in the nice reusable plastic sleeve, and then you can mix and match these various backgrounds. Again, I'll show it to you just on the black so you can kind of get a better look at it. I am obsessed with splatter marks. I love stitching. I love these patterns. I just think that it gives some nice foundations to be able to work on your projects. So let me show you another beautiful card created by Juliana. This gorgeous card, she uses the different tags, adds a little bit of string. You can see that you have the details of the stamp and die with the little rivets or whatever those are called, but beautiful. She does the artwork from the stencil in the background using that splatter and the pattern, so creates just a gorgeous card. All beautiful elements to mix and match, give that vintage vibe, just playful and a good time to match up. You have different sayings like thank you, hello, today, and congrats, approved, and just fun for different assortments of cards. Take a look at our Globetrotters Mark stamp and die set. This has 62 stamps and 4 dies. And you might be saying 62 stamps, how can you have so many? Quite easily. We have all of the dates. You can go up to 31. You also have individual numbers, so you can play with different years and whatnot. So the intention behind this SKU is that you have these awesome tags and labels so that you can highlight different events, different dates, marking your calendar. Also, you have some weather icons over here, so those are a lot of fun that you can wind up popping into that label over here or down here on the ticket. So to take a closer look at an example, we have another card using the stencil background. This is the Artful Layers stencil, as well as just some beautiful stamped imagery, the butterfly coming from the Sweet Sprigs set. So that is a closer look at another project and just how usable and easy it is to mix and match these pieces into your projects. Have Creative Combos, another stamp and die set. You're gonna get 10 stamps and 10 dies in this set. So a lot of fun to, again, mix and match. And as you can see from the designs on these sets and SKUs in this collection,
they are totally intended to be mixed and matched together. Fun little thing here is you get like the X's and the little pattern over here. Those are great stamps to actually work into your stencil here. So if you wanted to play off of the stencil and the stamps, you can certainly do so. So again, that's the Artful Layers stencil. You have the grid, the text, the tags, all kinds of good stuff. I love this messy stitching. I think you can never go wrong adding that into a project. And then you can see that we have several dies. Now, one of my favorite things that I'm obsessed with is the little paper clips and the binder clip. Again, there's just certain things that make a girl happy, and this is some of them. Love little clips and think that being able to die cut pieces over and over to mimic it without the weight of an actual metal clip in our projects just comes in super handy. So, you know, here you have the little rivet for the tags, a little notebook edge, another notebook edge, and some different pieces. So love this set for mixing and matching, and to take a look at a project using it in full force. You have some great background work going on here. Again, stenciling, a little bit of modeling paste back there, stamping, just really fun, beautiful colors that pop. You can see that notebook edge with the grid stamping, as well as then the label with the beautiful text on it. That cute little paper clip in full use, as well as one of our flowers from that sweet sprigs set. So mixing and matching all of the SKUs in this collection, totally encouraged. I know that I had a great time playing with all of this stuff, and will be using it over and over and over in all my projects. Thank you.